This is episode 4 of me learning AI and sharing what I learned with you as I go. If you work in tech or watch the news, you've probably heard of the word evals or evaluations. And if you are wondering what it is, I'm going to break it down in simple terms. Evals are basically how we evaluate or measure the quality of AI outputs. Basically, when you write into ChatGPT or Gemini a prompt or a question and it gives you a response, people building that app are evaluating how good it is at giving responses, and if it's making up answers or just doing things that it shouldn't, then they can give it a rating and decide, when is it ready to be put in the hands of users. The most common way to do this is have a scale of 1 to 5 and then figure out what are the features or parameters you want to measure the outputs on, such as how relevant it is, the creativity, how safe the answers are to the user, and how professional it is. So this is an example set, and then you can rate the responses from 1 to 5 for each of those categories. You can do this as a human, which takes a lot of time, is hard to scale, but probably is more accurate. Or you can use a large language model to do this for you at scale. LLM evaluating another LLM is less likely to give you 100% accuracy. So how do you actually do this in practice? There's 3 things that you have to keep in mind. One is writing very clear instructions. Two is having strong raters, whether it's a human or a large language model that's going to do it for you. And three, pick the right data sets to test against. Model should have some kind of data set that they can, compare against and see how accurate they are, how close they are to providing really good answers. Evals are not just for these big large language models, but any wrapper that's built on top of these also needs to be going through these processes. And the product manager in companies is usually the one that's responsible and should be leading charge because they know what is the standard of good quality for the users at the end of the day. See you in the next episode.